Close your eyes for a second and picture this. A candlelit room, two people on their side, faces inches apart. Breathe slow and warm. The world narrows to fingertips and a soft, knowing smile. That face-to-face, side-by-side position is my favorite secret for deep connection. You can look into her eye, whisper instructions, and your hands are free to explore without the awkward reach of other positions. It's intimate, slow, and perfect for learning the map of her body. First, a quick map. The outer lips, labia majora. Inner lips, labia minora, clitoral hood and clitoris, tiny but dense with nerve endings. The vaginal entrance, and the front wall, where some people notice a sensitive patch, often called the G-spot. Think of it like a coastline. Every person's shoreline is different. Your fingers are your small boat. Approach gently with lube as your calm sea. Let me tell you a short, true little classroom story. I once taught a workshop, and the shyest man in the room asked in a whisper, "How do I even start?" I demonstrated a rhythm. Slow warm-up. Explore outer lips like you would trace a name with your fingertip. Then circle the clitoral hood. Pause. Change pressure. Listen. When you move from outer to inner, use the classic come-hither curl for internal play. Gentle, rhythmic, and constant communication. Tips that always work. Trim and file your nail. Wash hands. Warm your lube in your palm. And start slow. If she breathes faster, you're on the right track. If she tenses, ask, adjust, and slow down. The face-to-face, sideline position makes all of this dreamy. Lie on your side, facing each other. Top leg draped over her. You have perfect access to lips and clit, and you can guide or be guided with whispered cues. It keeps the touch gentle and allows long, sensual sessions without strain. Try alternating speeds, slow circles, then a soft inner pressure, then back to kissing. Experiment with angles. Small changes can turn nice into wow. Now, for you who worry about genital pigment changes, darkening is common and normal. Causes: friction, shaving, hormones, genetics, or old inflammation. Urban legends love to promise miracle fixes. A midnight moonlight bath, a powdered herb rubbed under a full moon, or a mysterious witch cream from an auntie. Fun story, but risky. Real, safe actions you can take tonight. Stop harsh scrubs, use a gentle cleanser, apply a fragrance-free moisturizer or a product with niacinamide or vitamin C to even skin tone. And always use sunscreen on exposed area. If you're curious about medical options, a dermatologist can discuss topical azelaic acid, prescription agents, or in-office lasers and peels, but never DIY acids or unknown crews picked up from shadowy sources. A final bit of magic that's not myth. Confidence. I watched a student who obsessed over color. Once he stopped hiding and focused on connection and technique, his anxiety faded and intimacy improved. Your color does not define your pleasure or your partner's interest. Communicate, practice these graceful hand movements. Try the face-to-face, side-by-side for a slow, electric session and treat your skin gently. Tonight's tiny experiment: set the scene, clean and warm your lube, lie face-to-face on your side. Start with soft outer touches. Whisper questions, try a come-hither and end by laughing together. If you want to know more about safe creams or dermatology options, make a joke, book an appointment, and bring your curiosity. Curiosity is the sexiest thing you can wear.